go, 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 go! Let's go! Pressure, pressure, pressure!
Ella, we need to be smart. Just let it go out. If they touch your last and you see it's going out, just let it go out.
Mark the line, mark the line. That's the line. Jazz, be ready. Jazz, be ready, okay?
Jazine, está sola.
Go, Jazz. Olivia, go to hit it. Get it out, get it out, get it out!
Try, Violet. Ready, Chloe.
Hit side if you need it.
Hey, jump down if you need to, Olivia. If you're hurt, go down. Go right now. Stop moving, up,
Go on me, Hart.
Go, 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 go! Now.
Go, get white.
Keep it in, keep it in, keep it in, keep it in.
Yes. Throw it on me quickly.
Good idea, good idea.
Mark up, mark up, mark up, mark up, mark up, mark up.
To Sophia.
Hey, Ella, mark. That was you, Ella.
Come on, get it slow, get it slow.
Let's go.
Go, go, pressure line. Go, 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 let's go. Pressure line, pressure line, pressure.
Violet, she needs your help.
That's you, Ella, that's you, Sol. That's you, Sol. Stay with her, Sol. Stay with her, Sol. Stay with her, stay with her, Sol. Stay with her, Sol. Stay with her. Jazine, get back, Jazine, get back. Jazine, get back. There we go. Good job.
Chloe, kick it. Chloe, you got it. You got it, Chloe. Sophia, towards the goal. Sophia, Sophia, Sophia. I see it up. You're not defending anyone. You're up and attack.
Wide, wide, wide.
Go!
Beat her, beat her, beat her.
Go! Go!
Violet, where's your help? Chloe, where's your help?
Look for your shot.
Ask for a thought!
Again, Lara!
Control the ball.
Go, Leah, go, Leah.
Yes, Leah.
Yep.
On me here.
Big throw, Jazz. Big throw, Jazz. Big throw. Gana line. Gana espacio. Dale para arriba. Buena control. Buena control.
Violet, other side.
Yes.
Yes, good throw.
Get back.
Again, Lara!
You ready? Get back, Leah. Get back, Leah. Get back. Get back, Leah.
Go!
Ella, watch her there. Go help her. Get Ella.
Stop moving up.
Jazzy, big
Jazz,
kick.
back up.
Sophia.
Go now, go!
Beautiful ball, Jazz.
Keep it in.
Take her!
Get back. Ella. Leah, that's you. Now.
Stop running, son!
Good girl, step up. Chloe, you're taking it. Chloe, you take the kick.
Yes, Delano, be ready.
Chloe, take it. Take it, Mo.
Ella, get behind.
Chloe, up, towards the goal. Chloe, go up.
Lila, over here.
Organized, like
Jazz, in the middle. Olivia, quick side. Jazz, in the middle. Jazzy, you have time, kid.
Chloe, back up. Army, back up. Lucia, back up. Chloe in the middle. Violet, back up.
Leave it here, lady!
Up. Big kick.
Right here.
Jazzy, para arriba, Jazzy.
Let's go, share!
Sub.
Laila. Good stuff, kid. Good hustle. Take a little breather and go right back in. Good job, kid. Good job, kid. Good job. Go, Gabby! Go, Gabby! Oh, good one. Good job. Good hustle, ladies. Good hustle. Ella, get more in the middle. Get more in the middle, Ella. Up. That way, Ella. Ella. That way. That's you.
Really good, Bowie. Hold on, Nico.
Good for Son.
Go!
Finish it.
To the goal! Good job, Gabby. Great way to be there, kid. Beautiful work.
Jasmine.
Gabby, pressure the ball. Go.
To the goal, Gabby. To the goal!
Yeah,
Hey,
good
Gabby.
hustle. Keep him there. Leah. Ella. Yeah, it is.
Right there, Grace! Grace, cancel out that pass! Good, our ball, grab it.
And the foot came out.
Go, Ella, go!
Hurry, don't line. Good. P, get ready!
Big throw, Jazz, big throw. Hey, ladies, Ella. Big throw, Jazz, in the middle. Recio, get it, go get it. Rápido, big throw.
Harper, ask for it! Switch it!
Corner, let's go, corner, kid!
Corner.
Leah, take it, Leah!
Leah, take the corner. Jazzy, get in the middle. Jazzy, rápido.
Let's go, ladies!
Leah, go for the second post.
Pressure!
You're good. Up a little bit, Olivia, you're good.
Go, Grace, go, take it! Take it, Grace! Grace, corners! Come on, girl! Right there, pressure!
Get it,
Grace,
Ella,
take it.
come here. Olivia, al medio.
Good job,
Al
girls!
medio.
Keep it up! McKenna, good job! Look at Harper, she's wide open!
Good stuff,
Harper,
kid.
go
Beautiful
for
work.
it!
Beautiful work.
Keep it up,
Got
ladies.
it, kid. Good stuff. Good pressure. Good pressure.
Go, Gabby!
Go, P! Go!
Good idea, Leah. Good idea.
Grace, Jordan. P, come on!
Gabby, you pressure!
McKenna!
Gabby, go as soon as they go.
Wow.
Suavecito pressure. If it's on your side, pressure. Go. That's you, Jazzy.
Right here, Grace!
Get back in.
Yes.
Get back in.
Right here, Harper! Go!
You want to give it to Kate?
Señor, prefiero el tiro libre que la mano. Pero no es la ventaja, está muy chiquita. Si fuera la ventaja lo entendería, señor. Tienen 8 años, ¿cómo van a saber?
Come on, McKenna!
Hard shot, girls!
Go! Good, Cleo!
I need the shot.
Okay. Give me 3 minutes, okay? Don't sprint it. Just stay.
your shot.
Go!
Good job, Solecito. Take that, kid. Good hustle. Lista, Gabby. Lista, Gabby. Ready, Gabby. Ready. Go, 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 go. Pressure, pressure, pressure.
Go, Olivia, get it. Take your shot.
Hit it!
Good job, OJ.
Go, Olivia, go.
Sol, out for it! Back Sol! Hey, Jazz, you got it right here, okay?
Oh! Nice shot, yeah. Beautiful shot. Jazzy, métete. Corner, in the middle by yourself. In the middle. Nobody gets past you, okay? Nobody gets past you. Solecito, aprieta. You got one on the right side only. Carter. There's only one here.
Step up. Jasmine, 5 steps. Up. Good.
Go side of him!
Go, Grace!
If for some reason
Go
you come to
side!
your shit, you blast it,
Go,
okay?
Grace!
If for some reason.
Ah!
Drop back, Jazz. Drop back,
Hit
Jazz.
it. There you go.
Hey, let's go, Solecito. Go!
Yes, OJ.
Good work. Recover. Ladies, step back. Ladies, recover.
Hey, let's hold them there. Let's hold them. Mark somebody.
Good job, girls! Keep
Gabby.
it up.
So, Mark. Hey, mark somebody, Olivia. Gabby, mark her. Big shoes.
That's you, Gabby. That's you. Hey. Jazzy, big kick. Move the ball up,
Drop and
Jazzy.
defend.
Move the ball up. Move the ball up. More. Move the ball up. Jazzy, big kick. More. Olivia, Solecito, be ready. Olivia.
Go, Olivia, go.
Olivia, get back, Olivia. Olivia, get back.
Get it.
That's you, Jazz. Watch your ass.
Nice, OJ. Go, Lena, go.
Go, Solecito, go. Turn and go. Go, Sol, go.
Middle. Olivia, get in the middle.
Good shot, kid. I'll take it. Good stuff, kid. Good stuff. Gabby. Stop, ref, stop. Gabby, take a break. Gabby, take a break.
Jackie, tú presiona.
Jackie, presiona el balón, Dale ese espacio si lo necesitas, pero presionando. Ya. Sol, finish it. Good job, Sol. Good hustle. Pressure, Gab. Jackie.
Girls, we have to follow those!
Ball on.
Shoot it, Olivia. He's calling a corner kick. You can blow the whistle now, bro. Go to the ball.
Go, Jackie, go.
Come on, Sabine!
He has a whistle in his mouth and he's calling a corner. And then he just lets them play go.
Jasmine up.
Ready, Delano, ready.
Back up, Sabine! Sabine, back up!
I'm messing with him.
Come on, ladies!
Sophia.
Right there, Hadley!
Take her! Good!
Okay, man. It happens. Just stay here.
Yes, Liam!
Pressure, ladies. Good job. Good hustle, ladies. Good hustle. I don't want you to get anything. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it. If you don't feel like taking, I'd rather you rest it out. Maybe the second half.
Hold, guys! Rory! Haley!
Massage it a little bit. Dale, Jackie.
Ratio!
Ooh.
Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia, shoot. Talk. Turn it up.
Get there, Jazz. Go, Jazz. Good job. Good hustle. Recover. Leah.
Drop back. Olivia, drop back.
Olivia.
Omni,
Stop. Ella. Go for Olivia.
Midfielder. Center mid. Help back.
Go back up, Ella. Go, Ella, go. Go, Ella, go.
Don't be afraid of it.
Go, Ella, go. Pásasela. Dale, Jackie, pásasela. Jackie, quédate ahí, Jackie. Outside.
Come on! Bring back!
Two lines of three.
No, get it. Ahora ya es otra cosa.
Lucia.
Yeah.
Lucia, stick with her. Closer.
Back up. Ella.
Ella, center mid.
OJ.
How you feeling, Tony?
OJ.
Lucia, look at the ball. Lucia. Closer to Moe now. Lucia. Closer to Moe because it's going to go to the others. Moe in the middle.
Come on, make a pass!
Stop.
Middle!
Jackie.
Harper!
Jasmine, toca el balón y tiro largo, ¿ok? Ella, go back and help. Carter, pitch this way,
Sophia
Carter.
in the middle.
Carter.
Control it. Turn it. Go. Stay outside.
She's outside.
Hey.
Come on, it's all right. Let's go.
Good job, ladies. Good job. Back it up. Let's go.
Sorry. Yeah.
No one behind us. Remember that. No one should be behind us. Ref, I can explain it.
Offsides to me. Look offsides to me. Oh, she was before the line.
Step up defense. Step up.
Go.
A little less than a minute.
Go, son, go! Pressure it!
Full speed,
Beautiful! Lila, on the ball!
Pressure!
Good job, ladies. Bring it up, ladies. Bring it.
Step up defense. Step up. Quickly.
Leon. Take a deep breath, it's okay.
Jog to the ball. Jog. Defense, come up to the halfway line. Oh, up. Oh.
Leah, pitch.
Samila, you see that player over there? Yeah.
Do this too.
Good job, Delilah. There we go. Great way to be smart, kid. Good job. middle, John. Good job, Leah.
Well, we have a shot.
Yeah, Delilah, y'all be ready. Jazzy.
Move, drop back.
Jazzy, Delilah, be ready. Delilah. Make sure you see the ball.
Chloe, take the corner. So, Camila, fire the ball.
Yes, front post.
Delilah, focus.
Front
Drop
post.
back a little bit.
Yeah.
Jazzy, get the front post. Nothing close. Clear it. So, anything clear. Ella, focus.
Camila, back up.
Here, Abigail. Put this back goal.
Big throw, Olivia, big throw.
Olivia, throw.
Olivia.
This way. This way.
Right there, so you ready? Just hit it up. Hit it up to Lila.
Need your help over here. Chloe, we need
Hit
your
it
help.
over your head to Lila.
Agarra espacio. There it is. Get you that. Get you.
Leah, go! Leah, go! Leah, go!
It's all right, girls. Keep it up. We gotta defend. Work together. Let's go.
Girls, keep pressure. Rest of the game, keep pressure.
Hey, Lila, touches the ball, you go get it, okay? Solecito, same thing. Leah, same thing. We maintain pressure, okay, ladies? Good formation, though. Good job, ladies.
Go!
Step up. Sophia, roll speed.
Keeper.
Step up, defense, all the way to half. Make the space smaller.
Mark up.
Mark up. Leah. Mark. Ayuda.
Go, clear it out. Here we go.
Look, now, pass it now. Go. Now, go.
Help her in the middle.
Beautiful ball there. Good balls on, Lila. Look for a pass.
Go, son.
Girls, it's offside. Moe on the ball. Moe, you're kicking it. Lucia, open up.
Go to your position.
Avni.
Go to your position, Leah.
Excellent, Avni. Chloe, come up. Sophia.
Good job, Leah. Jazzy, be ready. Jazzy, watch there. Right here.
Avni's wide open.
Leah. Jazzy, there we go. Right there, Leah.
Wide open.
Hello, watch the ball.
Harper! Pressure!
Refs up, please, son.
Stop, ref. Leah.
Moe, step up.
Hey,
Moe.
Lana, if you need a sub, let me know immediately, okay? Please?
Hey, girls, come more.
Down the line. Jazzy, bring her this way.
Milana. Stay on your side.
Solecito, we have to be in front of that ball.
Back up, 2 lines of 3.
Jazzy en el medio. Remember, you have time, Olivia. You got time. Beautiful. Good job, kid. Beautiful. Delilah, if you have time and space, just use your space, okay? Don't be scared to use your space. It's okay. Just watch your footing, okay? Back up, Jazz. Back up, Ella. Melana, back up.
Girls, drop.
Delilah, be ready for the shot, Delilah.
Justin, up. Monroe, up.
Solecito. Marker. Melana.
Kick it out. All right, Melana's foot's okay.
Hey, hold him. Mark somebody.
Get back. Melana, mark someone.
Harper, get back!
Don't let her turn, Olivia.
Oh.
Clear it out, Mila.
Jazz, go help her!
Harper, touch her! Harper, on her!
Jazz, Melana, you have to communicate, ladies! You have to communicate, Melana! Talk! Solecito. More, there we go. Melana, you have to get in front of him, Melana. You have to get there.
Keep on.
Olivia. Tienes tiempo, Olivia. Olivia, tienes tiempo. Relájate. Lateral. Aquí.
Jasmine,
Go. Big throw, Olivia.
Aquí.
come closer. Omni, come closer.
Go, Ella, go.
All right, get down.
Left foot.
Deep breath.
Wait till we go.
Yeah. Jasmine.
Take it. No. Take a knee, girls. Take a knee.
Call Harper, Abby. Harper.
All right. Let's go, Delilah. Stop. Violet, up. Sophia. Here. Stand up quickly. All right, Mark. Ella. Look, you're in the midfield. We're on defense right now. Go.
That's you, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Go. Tracy, give me the water, please.
Come here too. So we all have to defend. Go, Never mind, Soph. It's goalkeeper. Open up. Sophia here. Ref, can I sub, please? Hold on. Go ahead, Jasmine. Sophia up. Strong, Jasmine. Pull it back.
Go, Olivia, go.
Kick.
Go, so help.
Help her. Good job, ladies. Sub. Jazzy, take a little breather. Jazzy, take a breather, kid.
OJ, cover the middle.
Beautiful work.
OJ, cover the middle. Drop.
Good hustle.
Jasmine, can you
Jackie, Gabby, it can't happen.
Closer here.
You ready, Gabby?
Get back in, Olivia. Again.
It's out. Olivia, big throw again. Down the night. Check. Give it.
You need to stop, Zoe!
see her there? Behind her. That ain't going.
Hey, put it here.
Jasmine to Sophia.
Come on, get in the middle. Pull it.
Violet. Here. Up here. Make space for us here.
Go, Leah, go! Get back, Collier! Beautiful! Good idea, Carter!
Ref, one more stop. Melana.
Jasmine, this side, please. This side. This side. Chloe in the middle, please, Chloe. Chloe, here in the middle. Here in the middle. Sophia, towards me. Towards me. Here we go. Jasmine, check. Look around. Left, does she have to back up? Chloe, back up some more. Chloe, back up some more. This side.
No, hold.
Here we go.
Ella, get in the middle! Otra vez. Hold it.
Go on, Abby, dribble.
Did you see me? I said hi to the
Left foot, Kaylee. Big throw. Slow down.
How many points do we have? Because I made 2.
Sideways, Sil.
Only two. 2, not 3. The one didn't count because of offsides.
No, it was outside.
You do not have 3.
Russ, can I sub too? Chloe, come take your break. Camila, midfielder.
We'll do one more. Gabby.
Raise
Take
the
a break.
space. We need to be careful. We got a lot of
Okay, there was nobody in the middle.
in the middle. Camila, you're a midfielder now, okay?
Jasmine, big kick. Jasmine, big kick. Leah, Ella, be ready. What time do we have? Before I lose my time.
6 minutos. Ella pasó cuando necesitaste.
See a backup score. Yeah.
Get back, Leah, get back. Ladies, midfielders, I need you to drop on your position, ladies. Back down. What's up, ref? Jackie, come here.
Jackie ahorita entró.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Right side. Ella, play the back over here. Lila, go to the outside. Leah in the middle. Ella in the middle. Ella in the middle. Leah, you play to the right side. Lila, you play to the other side. Here. Be ready. Pitch it. Ella, hop over here.
We find the other side. Gotta be a little better on the ball. Go, silly. Go.
Big kick, Jazz. Go. Jasmine, that's you. Go get it. Que no se te vaya allí, Jasmine. Te va a joder.
Omni.
Hey, go. Good?
Go here.
Okay. Do the next one, okay?
Other side.
Run hard. Cover that side.
Good job, Jazz.
Sophia, Abby.
Push through.
Got it, Jackie. Oh.
No way. She touched the ball. Chloe, you're all right, Chloe. You're all right. Come to the top of the box. We have to defend. Come to the top of the box.
Jasmine,
Chloe,
go to the top of the box.
up here on the top.
You're by yourself right there.
You want it to be up top, not to the side. All right, girls, keep it up. Omni.
So get it on.
Solecito. Árbitro, Solecito, come here.
Yeah, I know. I
That's
see it.
exactly what you need, team. Give me some good stuff. Give me some. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Let's go.
Hey, high five, high five.
Teddy's all tied up.
Your fingers.
Nice, Leo! Go, speed, speed, speed!
Be ready, Jazz. Be ready, Ella.
Jackie, presiona.
Jackie, presiona. Jackie, presiona. Go, Jackie. Go, Jackie. Go, Jackie. Go, Jackie. Go. Go, Lila. Go, Lila. Go. Big throw. Let Carter. Big throw. Let Carter throw. Let Carter throw.
Right there, Bradley! Come on! We're gonna get those!
Carter, go get it. Go get it. Big throw, Carter. Big throw.
Get back, OJ. Get back.
That's you, Jazz. Hold it. There it is. Kick it. Beautiful.
Ref, sub. Camila. Open up.
I wouldn't have known that they both.
Quickly, Jasmine, quickly. Excellent. Attract pressure and play.
Big kick.
All right.
OJ, big throw. OJ, big throw.
Chloe, leave it back up.
Down the line,
Jasmine, get ready. Jasmine, get ready.
Down
We're
the line,
playing.
down the line. Lead us, down the line.
Jasmine, in the middle. You're a midfielder. In the middle.
Go, Leah, go.
Organize, open up. Let's go, Black. Come on.
Hey, on the line. Jackie, arriba, Jackie. Hey, Jackie.
Let's go, Harper!
All right, Omni.
More
organized. Lucia.
Passing lane and then put it through. Or dribble to it and take a shot. Get back, Jazz, get back! Gracie, get the ball!